To show you just how simple and easy Wise emergency foods are to prepare. Whether you're so busy that you barely have time to cook, or you find yourself stuck in an emergency situation, Wise emergency foods can save the day. Let's start with creamy pasta and vegetable rotini. All you need is 4 cups of water, and it doesn't even have to be hot. You take the contents of the pouch, pour them into the water, you stir, cover, and that is it. In 15 minutes, it is ready to go for your family, no matter what the situation.
Well, the box was right. This thing really is super quiet. Impressively so. Everyone's talking about this Predator 3500 and how quiet it is. And it is very quiet. The box says it's 57 decibels. The instructions go into a little more detail, and they say that at 23 feet it's 57 decibels with a quarter low. I know this thing's amazingly quiet, but let's find out if the instructions are correct. First, we'll want to check our ambient noise level. I'm getting about 52.4 decibels. This generator's been sitting for 2 weeks, the longest I've had it dormant. Let's see how it starts. We'll be doing tests at the unit and at 23 feet with 1/4 load. In this case, I've got a watt load of 762 watts. Then we'll load the unit up with 2652 watts and repeat that test at the unit and at 23 feet. Before we put any load on the generator, let's look at it in eco mode with no load. Looks like we're getting a peak of about 67.4 decibels. With eco mode off, no load, 69.9 decibel peak. At the unit, 762 watts, which is just barely over 1/4 load, the peak is 75.5 decibels. With a healthy 2652 watt load, looks like we're peaking out at about 83.1 decibels. Not bad considering we're standing directly in front of the generator. With no load at 23 feet, the generator is actually putting out less noise than the ambient environment sound level. With 1/4 load at 23 feet, it's really not any louder. Again, we're at basically the ambient sound level of the environment. A 60.5 decibel peak at 23 feet with 2652 watts. That's as loud as an average conversation. I wouldn't have believed this if I hadn't experienced it myself. Yeah, that's quieter than the Sportsman inverter generator.
Hey there, I'm No Spill Jill, and this is my gas can that makes it so easy you may never have to spill a drop of gas again. You just put the spout wherever you want and press the button. See? Now if you hold the button down, it'll stop automatically. I bet you didn't expect that, did you? Now let's say this is your mower's tank. It's so easy, and it even works on tanks you can't see into. And if you want to top it off, that's easy too. How about small tanks like those used on blowers or trimmers? Simple. And if you really want to show off, you can do it in a shot glass. It's the button that makes it easy. Our patented nozzle is super cool, and now we have extra wide juice stripes on the front and the back of the can. This is No Spill Jill saying you don't have to spill expensive gas ever again. It's the button that makes it easy. That's on, that's off, and that's it. Get a No Spill gas can.
Rated portable fire extinguisher is effective against the most common household fires, such as wood, paper, fabric, flammable liquids, and live electrical equipment fires. This is a rechargeable fire extinguisher. If used, the unit can be refilled by a certified professional. The metal gauge resists corrosion, is easy to read, and color-coded for accurate measurement. The super heavy-duty metal head is designed to meet demanding needs. There's a metal pull pin with a safety seal to help avoid accidental discharges and to discourage unwanted tampering with the extinguisher. The secure super heavy-duty mounting bracket and strap are included for secure placement. The easy-use instructions on the extinguisher are chemical resistant and waterproof so that they won't deteriorate. This First Alert Pro fire extinguisher is for you if you want a super heavy-duty portable fire extinguisher that exceeds minimum compliance requirements.
An average family of 4 can create 2 to 3 gallons of water vapor a day from activities such as cooking, bathing, laundry, and washing dishes. It travels in the air and can build in your walls. Not only does moisture reduce the thermal efficiency of your insulation, it can also lead to harmful mold and rot. CertainTeed's membrane continuous air barrier and smart vapor retarder is the solution to the everyday moisture battles your walls face. Here's how it works. In the summertime, the wall's humidity often rises. With standard vapor retarders, moisture vapor can become trapped within the wall cavity, putting the wall at risk. Moisture Sense technology temporarily increases your wall's vapor permeance to allow excess moisture to escape out of the wall to better protect your investment. In winter, Moisture Sense technology works like traditional vapor retarders to prevent potentially damaging moisture vapor from entering and condensing in the wall cavity.
Getting cold outside?
Grab your hot hands. Oh, it's so cold. Don't miss the game. Grab some hot hands.
Just open the pack and hot hands heat up fast with air activation to keep you warm for up to 10 hours. Hot hands warms up the cold days. Don't let the cold get you down. Grab some hot hands. Hot hands. Keeps you warmer and happier all day, every day.